Using materials that don't meet required specifications will cause scrap, and here are some of the best practice strategies that will assist you to reduce this cause for scrap. Establish strong supplier quality control processes. Perform thorough incoming material inspections. Use digital systems to track and verify material specifications. 1. Establish strong supplier quality control processes. The best practice would be to have supplier qualification and approval strategies implemented. Implement a supplier evaluation system based on quality, reliability, and past performance. Conduct supplier audits to ensure compliance with material specifications. Establish clear contracts and agreements with quality expectations and penalties for non-conformance. Another best practice would be ongoing supplier quality management. Require suppliers to provide certificates of compliance, COC, or material test reports, MTRs. Develop a supplier scorecard to monitor defect rates, delivery accuracy, and responsiveness. Set up a feedback loop with suppliers to address quality issues promptly. The second best practice strategy to implement is to perform thorough incoming material inspections. Inspection and testing procedures need to be in place. Establish sampling plans, e.g., AQL standards, to verify material compliance. Use dimensional checks, hardness tests, and chemical composition analysis to validate material properties. Maintain a quarantine area for non-conforming materials to prevent use in production. Standardizing inspection workflows must be implemented to ensure success. Implement checklists and visual aids for inspectors to ensure consistency. Train receiving personnel on critical defect identification and handling procedures. Conduct regular audits to assess the effectiveness of incoming inspections. The third best practice recommendation strategy would be to use digital systems to track and verify material specifications. Implementing digital verification systems is key to this. Utilize an ERP system to track material specifications and supplier compliance. Integrate barcode or RFID scanning for real-time material tracking. Use AI-powered anomaly detection to flag potential material deviations. Ensuring data accuracy and accessibility is important to have in place. Maintain a digital repository of material specifications for quick reference. Automate alert systems for discrepancies between ordered and received materials. Enable cross-functional collaboration by linking procurement, quality, and production teams in the digital system. The suggested best practices can only be effective when it is implemented, managed, and controlled. Please have a look at the next causes for scrap generation in the following videos. You may also like, subscribe, and send us a comment if you would want to add value to the channel or become part of the OPIX Coach ecosystem.